How to embed a PDF file in a Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will be requiring to open up this additional website, and it is Elf site. You would be able to open it up quite easily by searching it up on Google, and after that go to the section of widgets over here, and under widgets you will be able to find the option of tools, and here you can find the option of file embed. Simply open it up and wait for it to load. And this is how it will appear. Now you can select different templates over here. Since we want a PDF file, we can simply select PDF file and continue with this particular one. Continue with this template, and you would be able to add your particular website, and you would be able to add your particular PDF file by just clicking on this option of add file, and this way you would be able to see your particular file over here. Then click on this option of add website for free, and it will ask you to log in. It is absolutely free to log in, and after that you would get a code from this particular website, and after getting the code, just simply open up Squarespace. And on Squarespace, wherever you want to add that particular PDF, simply select that particular section. Suppose you want to add that particular section right below this one, click on this option of add section and click on add blank section, and you can also add a different section according to your needs and requirements. And after that, click on this option of add block. Now here you would be able to find the option of code. Simply select it. Now paste the code that we just copied from Elf site and click on continue. This way you would be able to see your PDF file over here. And this is how easy it is to get the PDF file on your Squarespace. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.